Very clean chicken. I put off the grease and the bones and everything, you know. Let's have a try. Look at this. This is so tasty. It's unbelievable. The chicken is so tender. The rice and then the sauce, the rich sauce, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay guys, we're gonna make a Thai curry, a chicken curry. You see all the spices that I'm gonna use here. I will tell you later about that. These are some vegetables here that I have. Here's the chicken. I still have to cut it up in smaller parts, but yeah, this is already cut up a little bit. As you can see, these are filet chicken pieces, filet haches we call them here in Belgium. And yeah, it's easy to make, you know. It's very easy to cut and very fast to do. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna cook all inside here. No second kettles, you know. That's the beauty of Thai food, Asian wok-ing, you know. You can prepare all in one kettle. So what ingredients we're gonna use? Of course, the chicken. Yeah, this is the real sriracha sauce here, from Sriracha in Thailand here, north of Pattaya. We have some coconut milk, of course. We're gonna use this. Maybe a little bit more. I don't. Yeah, maybe this is enough. I'm not gonna chop up garlic. I use the garlic powder. Curry paste, of course. This is Indian curry paste. It's almost the same as Thai curry paste, you know. It has the same ingredients. We have some ketchup, also some soy sauce, but I don't have it here with me. White pepper. This is also some yellow curry paste I can use. It's still open, so I'm gonna use that also. This is chili powder. Of course, we need it to make it a little bit spicy. This is paprika, smoked paprika powder. We have some chicken mix herbs, and we have also some wok herbs. I'm gonna use this also. It has garlic inside, also lemongrass. You can see the ingredients here: cumin, curcuma, salt, garlic, gamber, chili pepper, yeah. And of course some vegetables here. Huh? This is Thai style vegetables. It's prepared in the back already, so easy to use. So I'm gonna start up here with the chicken. Gonna cut them in yeah, 2 centimeter square blocks, and then I'm gonna fry them in a pan in the wok. Okay, I put some oil already into the wok here, and I'm gonna get it very hot, you know. That's very important. It has to be very hot, and you have to cook very fast. I'm used garlic oil here. Garlic oil, it's empty now, because I don't use any garlic into the dish. So the vegetables first. They have to cook very fast, maybe for 1-2 minutes. I think that's enough. Half of a bag, that's enough. Very fast at high temperature, and then I'm put it away, and I'm gonna start to cook my chicken. Very fast. You don't want to get the vegetables very weak, you know. It doesn't taste. It has to be a little bit crispy, you know. So here are my chopped up chicken fillets. I put some herbs already on it, like pepper, white pepper, and this chicken herbs. The vegetables are now baking in a wok for 1-2 minutes, and then after that I'm gonna put it away, and then later I'm gonna add the vegetables back to my dish. Very, very fast. 1-2 minutes of cooking. And then I'm gonna start to bake my chicken fillets. Okay. So I put the vegetables here on a plate already. So later I'm gonna add it back to my my chicken curry when it's finished. At the last 2 minutes I'm gonna put this back into the sauce. Oil is cooking again. I'm gonna add the chicken fillet now. I'm gonna start to make my dish here. So I'm adding here my chicken here. I'm gonna cook it very fast, high fire here. I'm gonna add the herbs here, and then later I'm gonna add also the coconut milk. It's going very fast now. I added all the herbs already on the chicken here, as you can see, and then in the middle I put the chicken madras here, the Indian madras, as you can see here, the Indian paste, you know, a curry paste. But you have to cook it also a little bit, you know. You have to cook it together with the chicken. You cannot add it on later because it has to cook a little bit. And the flavors are already astonishing now, you know. What is coming up here, the richness of the sauce, you can already smell. The chicken is done already, I think, so I can now add the coconut milk. So we have a nice sauce. And then I can add also a little bit ketchup now. I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna add the coconut milk. And then after that I'm gonna add the vegetables. And then the dish will be ready. It smells very, very good now. Unbelievable. Jesus. Some hot sauce here. Yeah, you really need some hot sauce. A lot of hot sauce. Okay. And of course also some chili powder. Huh? I already done enough chili powder above the chicken, but I'm gonna do some more. Why not? Okay, let's stir that up. And then after a few minutes I'm gonna add the vegetables. Wait and see, this is gonna be very, very tasty. Look at this, guys, look at this. Unbelievable, the smells, all the herbs are inside now, the curry paste, the coconut milk. Here are the vegetables, I'm gonna add it now. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna turn off the stove now. It's hot enough. The stove is off now. The vegetables are inside. They're still a little bit crispy, you know. It's not cooking anymore. The stove is off. And of course, you're gonna serve this with rice, huh? So I'm gonna cook some Thai jasmine rice here. I think 1 bowl is enough. And it will be a very, very delicious dish. I will promise you that. And very fast and easy to make, you know. And you can eat it also the next day, you know. You serve it in the fridge and you eat it again tomorrow. It will be even more delicious. Believe me. Nice bit of chicken. Very clean chicken. I put off the grease and the bones and everything, you know. Let's have a try. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so good. You cannot believe it. Perfect. I will show the dish later with some rice, so you can see the end product. Thank you guys for watching. See you. Damn it, I have to eat again. Yummer. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Huh? Such a rich sauce. Cooked here some jasmine rice. So I'm gonna add it here with the chicken madras curry. And it will be very, very tasty. Huh? Look at this, guys. Huh? Unbelievable. It's so rich and tasty, full of flavors. Yeah, I made it with madras curry paste, but you can use any Thai curry paste, red curry paste, yellow, or even green curry paste. It almost tastes the same. The curry paste is not really spicy. It's what you add later to the dish, like the chili powder and everything. That makes it more hard. I think I'm gonna leave it with 3 cooking videos, you know. The first was the spaghetti bolognese, the second one was the Thai curry, and the third one will be the Belgian stew, you know, a Belgian beef stew with Belgian beer inside. It will be very, very tasty. So I hope to see you there. Watch my other cooking video, and I hope you will like it. Try it out yourself, why not? But this, guys, look at this. Look at this. This is so tasty. It's unbelievable. The chicken is so tender. The rice, and then the sauce, the rich sauce. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. So good. Try it out yourself. You don't need to use the madras curry paste. You can use any Thai paste, you know. It's so delicious. So rich. Look at this. Unbelievable. Try this recipe out. It's really good. Cheers, guys. Hope to see you another time in one of my cooking videos. Take care and try it out. Okay, bye bye.